Welcome to McStuffinsville. Today we'll get a sneak peek at the emergency room in the McStuffins Toy Hospital. Come inside. I'm so excited to show you around. I'm in charge of making sure we offer top-notch toy care. I want to keep everyone in McStuffinsville happy and healthy. This very important room is called the emergency room, or ER for short. When toys come in here, they'll need a checkup quickly so we can help them immediately.
Whoa, it's gonna be wilder than a wildebeest in here, Doc.
That's why you're the perfect head nurse for the job, Hallie.
Don't you know it?
In the middle of everything is the nurse's station. Hallie and the other nurses can see everyone around the room and make sure they're feeling okay.
Look at here. We've got plenty of hospital beds, and each toy gets a diagnosis that's clipped right to the front, so we can keep them all straight.
Right. We wouldn't want to treat a toy for the scratchy scrapies if they actually had a case of gunk insiditude.
Don't you worry, Doc. Between me and this brand new fancy-dancy digital book of boo-boos, every toy will get the best care in McStuffinsville.
Over here is an X-ray machine. Sometimes what's going on with the toy isn't so obvious. If I can't find the source of the problem on the outside, I can quickly take a picture of the inside. The screen will show me the image. Then I can make a diagnosis or keep looking.
We've got more gadgets and supplies than a camel in Camelot.
Hey, Doc, we've got a lot of checkups scheduled today. We should get started. Gotta run, but there's so much more McStuffins Hospital to see.
Watch Doc McStuffins Toy Hospital on Disney Junior.
Welcome to McStuffinsville. Aww.
I'll be back soon to tuck you in and tell you a bedtime story.